Hello there, welcome to this new video. Today we will be making a custom container, a backpack, and a custom crafting table. So yeah, let's open the editor. And now let's go to containers. And we will go to containers. Create new. Now let's give the name here. Let's call it tutorial container. So let's click on this one right here. And then let's make it a storage placeholder. We'll just leave it as this. So now this is storage. Now let's make these all storage. Now it can be really annoying to do it all over. So hover over your storage and then press C, and then hover over an empty one and press P. You can also hold it. I want this to be empty. So now we have this. And to make a backpack, we go to storage here, and then non-persistent or not persistent. So per location is per item, and per player is per player, and global is global, just everyone. And not persistent is that it isn't safe. So to make a backpack, we will need per location. And if we wanted to make it like an ender chest, then we do per player. And if we want it to be public, then we do global. But I will do per location. And then the host crafting table, you don't have to change that. And now let's also create this for recipes. So here we need a input. Input. And then just copy that. And here we'll make two outputs. So now this is our GUI. And let's oh, don't forget to change the name back. So this is all right, and then click create, and then let's put it into the game. So we don't actually have to rejoin. Now let's do /kci container, open your container, and then a 1. So this is our container. Now here we can put in the potato, and that will stay. And here we can also put it in, but that shouldn't stay. Oh wait, it will. But this is for the crafting. So this one here, that's one. That means the ID. So the location. So we have the potato in. If we do 2, that's another location. Then it will not be there. Now let's make it open via an item. So if I go to the editor, back to edit menu, items, create item. Now let's make a pocket container above my head. And then just give the name 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tests. And then let's just give it a texture really quick. So done. And here the container. You choose your tutorial container. Apply. Create. Back. Export. Continue. Excluding. So now we do /i give 1 to 3. So this is our item. Now we didn't rejoin for the resource pack, but that doesn't matter. And if we click with it, it will open the menu. Now if we rejoin, now it's the texture that we gave it. Now you can actually make a texture. And here is and it's saved. Now with other players, this will also work. So you can give it, because we only did per location and not per location per player. So we can also give this to our friends, and then they will also see the pork chop. But now if we give ourselves another one, it won't be in this one, but it will be in that one. So now let's add a recipe. So go back into the editor, and then not to recipes. Go to containers, container, edit your container, and here you will see recipes. Click on that, add recipe. And you can see here these inputs and then this output, or these two outputs. So you can make it like a furnace with a duration, but I'll just set it to 0. Experience 0. The inputs, let's make it, if you put in a potato, wait, no, a potato, there's like 5 of those. A dirt will come out with a diamond. 50% of the time it will be a diamond. Create, apply. So you can also see which one we've used, dirt and output tab. Apply. So apply. So it was in this one right here. So now let's export. So this here. Oh wait, no, we still have it. So we put it right there. Oh yeah, here, see? Now we have 32 diamonds. You will have to put placeholders here, because you can... Oh, I accidentally made this an input. Whoops. Yeah. So it isn't not random, it's exactly half of the time. And now let's make it consume fuel. So go back into the editor, go to your container, and then let's here see. So right here in the top left corner, I'll add a fuel, and the name will be fuel. Register, create new name fuel register. Fuel, I spelled fuel wrong. Entries, add new. Let's make a lava bucket. Amount 1. Yeah, set it to 100. That's good. Entries. Create. So, and then the placeholder, we don't want a placeholder. So now there, this will consume fuel. And recipes, edit our recipe. Energy. Add new. Require at least 2. Energy type. View energy types. Add new. Name energy type. Minimum value 0, maximum 100. So we will enable this one. This one we will enable. And it will start at 0. Yeah. So done. Let's go to our container, recipes, energy, add new, energy type require at least 2. So energy, apply. Now is there an energy? Your energy in that. So the display will be display name energy, and let's make it an item. Michael's word. Simple vanilla item, data vanilla item. Done. So it goes from 0 to 100. Otherwise it wouldn't be complete. And then the display, we just edit that. Done. Apply. Back. Export. Now let's export it. So there's a stone here. Now we need lava. We didn't actually make it work yet. Yeah, we didn't actually give it power yet. Oh, back. Container, edit. This one will be an energy indicator. And then energy types, edit. Let's make it 50. Actual value 50. Backpack, export, yeah. Excluding. So yeah, you see here, it has 32. So now we have our recipe and it works. Now let's apply. Now let's add decoration. So click on decoration and at the display name, leave that empty. Well, you can give the name. I'll just leave it empty. And then let's make it a barrier. So simple vanilla item, barrier. Command 1, yeah, see. Now let's copy this everywhere. Now let's see if there's any more empty. No. Apply that. Back, export. Excluding. So now we have barriers everywhere. Now you can also give this glass panes. If you run a server with Geyser, then I recommend using barriers, because those also work on Bedrock. And our recipe still works. So yeah, I hope that you all have had an amazing day. And in the next tutorial, we will be adding blocks. And yeah, I hope to see you next time.